All right, make yourselves comfortable because we're gonna knock out your entire holiday shopping list right here, right now. This is the top 7 gift ideas for Traeger owners. So whether it's Christmas, a birthday, Father's Day, Mother's Day, these are the most awesome gifts a Traeger owner could hope to get for any occasion. We'll put links to each product in the description below. So here they are, from 7 to 1, the best gift ideas for Traeger owners. Number 7, the Pimp My Grill Lid Gasket. Adding a lid gasket helps keep smoke and heat inside the chamber, which can increase efficiency. It can also help reduce or eliminate dripping down the front of the grill. Specially designed for pellet grilling, these gaskets compress for tight-fitting areas while remaining thick enough to plug some of those larger gaps. Simply clean the surface, peel, and stick. Traeger's premium models like the Timberline come stock with a lid gasket, so why not add one to yours? Number 6, the Thin Blue Smoke Tube. These handy little devices add smoke to whatever you're cooking, but more importantly, they allow you to cold smoke things like cheeses, which have a very low melting point. Essentially, it's like a big incense stick that runs off of pellets. Just fill it up, light one end with a torch, get about an inch of it on fire, and then blow it out. You're gonna set it inside your grill somewhere off to the side, and it's gonna smolder for up to 6 hours. This one happens to be the Green Mountain Grill brand, and it has this really cool feature that allows it to extend for a longer smoke duration. Number 5, the Pimp My Grill Trucker Chimney Stack. So these add some cool flair to your chimney, but they also allow you to direct the smoke wherever you want it to go. All right, so these come in black and chrome, and they'll fit any Traeger that has a chimney. Number 4, Pimp My Grill's Pit Protector. So Pit Protector is a brand new product in the barbecue industry. And what it is it's an anti-corrosive oil and shine, and you're actually gonna put it on the outside of your barbecue. So this has a couple uses. I recommend putting it on a new grill to protect it from rust and corrosion, but you can actually put this on an old grill that has some paint fading, and it's just gonna make it look brand new again. So it's even really good on stainless and bare steel. It's just gonna make whatever you put it on really shiny. It's gonna make those darks darker and those brights brighter. This stuff is non-toxic, and it's actually safe to use on electronics. The rust protection can last up to 2 years. For that continued shine, you're just gonna apply it as needed. A really, really good stocking stuffer. Check out Pit Protector. Number 3, the Traeger Folding Front Shelf. All right, if you know someone who's been limping along without a front shelf, it's time to get them one. They've probably been trying to balance their food on top of their pellet hopper, and everyone knows that's where your beer goes. You absolutely need a place to land your food, and the Traeger Folding Front Shelf is it. Number 2, the Green Mountain Grill Wood-Fired Pizza Oven Attachment. Now you probably remember this pizza oven insert for the Green Mountain Grill line of pellet grills. Came out a few years ago, but what you probably didn't know is that it fits most Traegers. This genius contraption funnels all the heat from your fire pot and concentrates it into the cooking chamber. We've actually seen these things peak north of 1,000 degrees. So it comes with this handy little spreadsheet that tells you what temperature to set your grill at and what temperature you can expect the pizza oven to be at. It's also full of some really great recipes. So this is a true Neapolitan style cooking experience. You can expect to cook a pizza between 3 and 5 minutes. So we'll host a pizza party, and we'll have all the ingredients laid out. We let everyone build their own preferred pie. We share them all. We vote which ones we like the best. It's just an absolute blast for the whole family. So for a bonus item, consider these pizza dough kits by Urban Slicer. This one is the Neapolitan style, which happens to be my favorite. Works incredible in this pizza oven. And they have a pretty amazing pizza sauce too. Which brings us to our number 1 best gift idea for Traeger owners. Hands down, it's the Pimp My Grill Gen 2 Slideout Rack System. These slide-out rack systems greatly increase your cooking capacity, but more importantly, they elevate your food up into the smoke where the convection takes place. This increases your flavor profiles and creates a more even and consistent cook. Having the ability to slide food out of the heat keeps the smoke out of your eyes. It also makes food much easier to manage. So these things install in about a minute and without any modifications to your grill. There's no cutting, no drilling, just simply adjust the set bolts and snap the brackets into place. The racks themselves set into tracks inside the brackets, and they have stops so they can't slide out too far and dump your food. When you do want to remove them for cooking tall items or cleaning the fire pot, simply slide all the way in and lift straight up. It's that easy. This is just the sweetest upgrade for your Traeger and easily takes our #1 spot. All right, so that's it for our list of the best Traeger gift ideas. If you think there's something we missed, leave it in the comments below. We'll put it in next year's list. Like and subscribe to this video for more innovative products for your pellet grills, and we'll see you next time.